In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Salesforce security token. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign into your Salesforce account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account before moving forward, since the reset will be tied directly to the profile you're currently using. If your browser is already open, that's fine too. Just navigate to Salesforce and complete the login process as usual. Once you're inside Salesforce, look to the top right corner of the screen for your user profile icon. Click on that icon to open the account menu, then choose settings. This will take you into your personal settings area where you can manage options related to your account and security. After the settings page loads, move your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. This panel contains several categories and links, so take a moment to scan through it carefully. You're looking for the option labeled Reset My Security Token. When you find it, click on it to open the token reset page. On that page, you'll see a button labeled Reset Security Token. This is the action that tells Salesforce to invalidate your current token and generate a new one. Go ahead and click that button. In most cases, the reset happens immediately, so there usually isn't a long wait. After you click the button, the next step is to check your email inbox. Salesforce will send an automated email that contains your new security token as a text string. Open the message and locate that token carefully. Since this token is often used for integrations, external tools, or applications that connect to Salesforce, it's important to store it somewhere secure if you'll need it again later. If you don't see the email right away, give it a minute and then refresh your inbox. It can also be helpful to check your spam, junk, or filtered folders in case the message was redirected. Be sure you're checking the email account associated with your Salesforce login. And that's it. Once the email arrives, your new Salesforce security token is ready to use. Follow these steps anytime you need to reset it, especially if a connected application stops working because the previous token is no longer valid.